What is Scratch programming?
Scratch is a visual programming language designed for beginners, especially children. Instead of typing complex code, users piece together colorful blocks to create animations, aims, and interactive stories. This simple drag-and-drop approach makes coding less intimidating, offering a welcoming entry point for anyone curious about how software and games are made.
Why start with Scratch?
Scratch is loved for its friendly, visual interface. No prior experience is needed. Anyone can jump in and start building projects right away. By using images and simple commands, Scratch encourages experimentation and creativity, making learning to code an enjoyable journey rather than a tough assignment.
Core concepts made simple.
With Scratch, children and beginners naturally pick up key programming concepts like sequences, loops, events, and conditionals by building projects step by step. These building blocks form the foundation of all coding languages, giving learners the skills and confidence to explore more advanced topics in the future.
Hands-on learning and collaboration.
Scratch emphasizes learning by doing. Users bring ideas to life through interactive stories, games, and even animations. The Scratch community lets users share projects and get feedback, fostering teamwork and inspiration. This collaboration helps beginners stay motivated while exploring the possibilities of coding.
Next steps in your coding journey.
Once comfortable with Scratch, many move on to text-based languages like Python or JavaScript. Foundational skills learned in Scratch, such as problem-solving and logical thinking, apply to more advanced coding. Starting with Scratch opens doors to countless opportunities in technology, creativity, and beyond.